Cincinnati tool and cutter grinder. This is a number 2 Cincinnati tool and cutter grinder actually. This unit can be wired 440 or 220. Currently it is wired 220. As you can see, this unit has 2 riser blocks for the centers. It's a manual work head. It has a big box of various tooling down here, which normally I pull it out and I display it all, but there's so much in here, I'm not going to. There's nuts, there's different mounts to put different wheels on here. Just all types of tooling. There's different guards for using different features on the machine. Anyway, we got this handle over here on the side. This raises up the work head, as you guys can actually see here. And if you come over back here and take a look at this now that I have it up, there's one tear in the boot, which I put some sealant on it. There was one little tear up here. This boot's in excellent shape. You know, normally these are all ripped up really bad, but we have that sealed up here. I actually removed the spindle on this, took the bearings out, cleaned them and greased them, because a lot of people don't realize that every now and then you have to clean and grease the bearings in these units. If not, you burn the bearings out of them, and then bearings are very, very expensive for these units. So this spindle's been completely taken apart. Bearings have been cleaned, repacked, all put back together. This right here this is your forward and reverse switch for your main spindle. But before you do that, you have an on and off button over here. And this turns power on to the actual switch. So right now we're on. Come over here. You have forward and you have reverse. Now this spindle is actually belt driven. Some of these have the motor right here. The motor's actually down below. If you come over here, we'll show you. The motor is down below here, which you have a belt that drives it. You also have another handle on this side to raise and lower the head. And this little right here moves your table in and out. This is moving it toward you. This is moving it back. You have 2 table stops here. This table stop over here actually has a micrometer built into it, so you can get down to the thousandths or the tenth to where you need to be. See, the table goes left and it goes right with these. And you can actually even disengage this handle. You can come back here, engage your other set of handles on the back side, where you can actually lock these out too. So it does, so it's not as sensitive, so you can make it finer adjustments. Table moves with these. It goes 90 degrees each direction, or you can lock down and you can use your fine adjustment. As you can see, it's moving the table. There is a little bit of backlash in this adjustment, but you will have that. This unit also comes with a Worklight. This unit actually has a new LED Worklight on it, so this is all ready to go. Like I said, it comes with 1 grinding wheel, box of various tooling, and a whole bunch of other grinding hubs, nuts, all types of tooling in the box. This is our number 2 Cincinnati grinder.